Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Naila Fairuz Latifa and I'm with my partner Bagus Nawari. We will presentation about our first experience to the Transjakarta. Let's check it out.
Okay, everyone, as she said here, the topic we bring is our first experience riding TJ. As we know that TJ or call name Transjakarta is one of the public transportation in the form of electric bus in Jakarta, provided by the government to facilitate the community. Because it has a map that is quite complicated to understand. Because it's very difficult, many people get lost when they first ride this stage, including us. Therefore, we made this outline to tell our experience riding stage.
Yeah, there are four outlines that we met. And the first outline will explain by my partner, Bagus Nawari.
Okay, okay. The first outline is public transportation in system in Jakarta, provided by the government to make it easier for people to travel around Jakarta. And first subline is question. Do you ever heard about Transjakarta? Or people usually call it TJ. Second is only operates around Jakarta. Third is provided by the government. And fourth have a complex information because have a 100 stop bus and 550 routes.
The second outline is our seniors forbade us from using private vehicles to campus at that time. One, because it was our first time, and the two is it is recommended to use public transportation like Transjakarta and KRL.
Okay, the third outline is one day we meet at the bus stop Tanjung Priok to go campus together. First outline is A. What should we check if we want to go to the bus stop Rawamangun? First is Corridor 10, Tanjung Priok to PGC. Get off at the Pemuda Pramuka to Simpang Pramuka. Second is Corridor 4, Pulau Gadung to Galunggung. Get off at the Hutan Kayu. Third is Corridor 4, Galunggung to Pulau Gadung. Get off at the Rawamangun. B. But we get off at the 1. Corridor 10, Tanjung Priok to PGC. Get off at the Pemuda to Simpang Pramuka. Second is Corridor 4, Pulau Gadung to Galunggung. Get off at the Matraman. Third is Corridor 4, Pulau Gadung to Galunggung. Get off at the Manggarai. Fourth is Corridor 4, Galunggung to Pulau Gadung. Get off at the Rawamangun.
And the last outline is our friends told us about the right route. The subline is stop at Utan Kayu, then continue to the Rawamangun bus stop. And second outline is try the bus stop route that a friend told about on the way home. From the outline, we can make the story about our first experience to use the Transjakarta.
Okay, the paragraph 1 is do you ever heard about Transjakarta? Or people usually call it TJ. Transjakarta or TJ is a public transportation system in Jakarta, provided by the government to make it easier for people to travel around Jakarta. The TJ route is quite complicated to read for first-time user. This is because it has more than 100 stops and approximately 50 routes. Sometimes to reach a destination, someone must transit or stop at the curtain road to continue their journey to their destination.
The second paragraph is because it was our first time going to UNJ campus, our seniors forbade us from using private vehicles to campus at that time. They suggested using public transportation such as Transjakarta and KRL. That was when we first used CJ as public transportation to go to campus. The day before leaving, we searched for the route we need to take to get to our destination campus. We arranged to meet at the Tanjung Priok bus stop, following the directions from our previous search.
And the next paragraph 3 is one that day we met at the bus stop Tanjung Priok to go campus together. Because this was our first time riding TJ, we were still very confused about which bus to take. Because at each bus stop there was a TJ road. Therefore, we read the road. It turned out the road was very complex. This is a picture about the road of Transjakarta. Because we were confused to read it. Finally, we asked the officer at the bus stop because we follow our senior words where if you want to go to campus using TJ, you have to get off at the Rawamangun bus stop. Then we asked the officer what should we take if we want to go to the bus stop Rawamangun. And officer said you have to take corridor 10, namely the road Tanjung Priok to PGC. Then get off at the Pemuda Pramuka. After that, you have to pass JPO to transit at the bus stop Pemuda Pramuka. Then you have to take corridor 4, road Pulau Gadung to Galunggung. Then you get off at the bus stop Utan Kayu. After that, you get back on TJ corridor 4, road Galunggung to Pulau Gadung. Then you get off at the bus stop Rawamangun, said the officer because we felt it was very complicated, but you have to try it to get destination. We finally took the TG Corridor 10 to the bus stop PGC. We got off at the Bunda Pramuka according to instruction of the officer, then went to the bus stop Simpang Pramuka for transit. We took corridor 4 to get off at the bus stop Utan Kayu. Well, the problem is we don't know how many more stops to get off the bus stop Utan Kayu. So we only relied on the notification inside the TJ. But from inside the bus, it's turned out that when we want to get to the bus stop Tankayu, the notification was delayed. So when we arrived at the bus stop at Tankayu, there was no notification. When we had departed from the bus stop, the notification just turned on. So from that, we thought that we would soon arrive at the bus stop Tankayu. We finally get off the bus when just step out of the bus. We wait on the bus stop name that we got off the bus stop Pasar Genjing because we panic. We finally got back into the bus because you are confused. We ask the passengers around. It turns out we have passed at the bus stop Dayu because of that we plan to get off at the next bus stop, namely the bus stop Matraman. After that, we asked the officer. There again, it turned out we had to continue our journey from Matraman to the bus stop Mangrai using corridor 4. After that, we went up towards Pulau Gadung to get off at the Rawamangun. Finally, we followed the direction of the officer. We went back up TJ corridor 4, then get off at the Mangrai. After that, we went back up road for towards Pulau Gadung, and finally we get off at the bus stop Rawamangun.
When we arrived at campus and talked to our friends, they told us that we could go straight to campus through the bus stop we had stopped at previously to make it closer. So we didn't need to continue our journey to the Rawamangun bus stop. Finally, we tried the route suggested by our friends, and sure enough, it turned out to be closer. From then on, we continued to use the same bus stop to get to our campus. And that's the end of our story. Thank you for listening us and take your attention to us.
Mohon maaf jika ada kesalahan kata dan pengucapan atau intonasi dalam bahasa kami. Mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.